The double-cylinder filter is composed of two single-cylinder filters, a reversing valve, a bypass valve, a transmitter, a diffuser, etc. It is installed on the top of the fuel tank, and the filter element can be replaced without the system shutting down. It is suitable for fine filtration of the return of the hydraulic system that works continuously. It is used to filter out the metal powder produced by the wear of various components in the hydraulic system and the rubber impurities of the seals, etc., to keep the oil flowing back to the tank clean, so as to facilitate the circulation of the oil in the system. Widely used in heavy machinery, mining machinery, metallurgical machinery, and other hydraulic systems.